Right, we've got a confession to make because we thought the car might be camera shy, but I put a new condenser on because the points were blued over. It's a condenser, but it's not the right one, it's a Ford one, so I've just run it straight to the core, but it does the job. And we put a little bit of Start Your Bastard in, and it runs. It actually runs. So I'm going to now start it again, or Brian's going to start it, and we're going to run it up. And it sounds all right, so shall we have another go?
Okay, you say when.
Yeah, go on then. Instantaneous. And does the oil light go out?
Yep.
And the charging light's gone out, so it may even be charging. So I've rigged up a fuel tank, remote fuel tank, and it sounds like the choke's on. So that engine sounds as sweet as a nut. Absolutely as sweet as a nut. How about that? 32 years. We've now put a price on it, anyone that wants to come and have a look. But 32 years on. I want it to come off the choke a little bit. Years and it's running. The first time in 32 years. That's not bad, is it? I'm going to try and get that idle down a bit. Smoking a little bit. That's just condensation.
I just seen if it was going past Shirley's window. I didn't want to think we were on fire.
Right, the brake warning light's just come on, which wasn't on before. And that's what I want to try and do, just kind of gently warm it through. But what I'd like
left, was it that?